Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add text to photos on any iPhone. Now, if you want to add text to the photos on your iPhone, just open the Photos app. Now from here, just select any photo on which you want to write some text. Now for an example, I will select this photo. Then tap on Edit. Now on this page, you will find a pen icon at the top of the screen. Just tap on it. Then tap on the plus icon over here. Now from this pop-up menu, just select Add Text. And once you do that, you will be able to add a text to your photos. From here, you can change the color of the text. And you can also change the font and the font style of your text. You can make your text bold, italic, and you can apply an underline on the text. Now, you can also increase or decrease the size of the text. And also you can align your text and change the font of the text from here. Now for an example, I will add a text just like that. Now if the text you're typing is too large, you can increase the size of the box like that. And once you're satisfied with your text, just tap on Done. And this is how you can add text to your photos on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.